Mateo, parang sa inyo ni Sarah, hindi uso yung mga mamahaling regalo. Hindi kayo marigalo sa isa't isa.
Mabigat.
Mabigat.
Ang mga material.
Ano mga materials eh?
Puso-puso lang.
So, how do you show your love pag may mga occasions, birthdays?
Syempre, you always have to give a little gift here and there. But time is the most important. Respect, that's the most important in any relationship.
O baka part din ng financial
Yan yung turo ni GB sa
Huwag gumastos.
Hindi talagang third wheel.
And isa pang, one thing more, Mateo, kasi di ba si Marlon is your friend. And ngayon di ba na siya na parang sa pagiging responsible father. Nagbibigay ka din ba sa kanya ng financial advice since meron kang son?
I think I think his dad is in the financial business. I think they know they're very bright, experienced people. I'm sure they know, especially Marlon.
Pero knowing Marlon as a friend niya, how would you defend him sa mga accusations na as being a responsible dad?
I don't know. I can't speak for him. He's my friend. He's my friend, and he can speak on his own. He's a very intelligent person. He can speak on his own.
Pero alam mo yung situation niya na he has 2 kids.
Siyempre, kaibigan na yan. So basta he'll answer those questions. I'm sure he knows.